So, my buddy Greg invited us over for a backyard barbecue last weekend, and everything seemed pretty normal at first. We were lounging around, sipping on cold drinks, and chatting about the usual stuff, sports, work, and why Greg ever thought a mini golf course in his yard was a good investment. But as the afternoon wore on, something peculiar started happening on the grill. The burgers came off looking like majestic lions, the hot dogs resembled elegant flamingos, and even the corn on the cob was shaped like a slithering snake. We were all baffled, trying to figure out who was behind this culinary zoo. Greg, ever the detective, squinted at the grill, then at us, and finally at the family cat lounging nearby, who seemed suspiciously nonchalant. Just as we started speculating about artistic ghosts or avant-garde chefs hiding in the bushes, Greg laughed and said, "Guess the cat's out of the bag." Turns out, my